In this video, I will show you how to add DKIM record in GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click your profile in the top right corner and go to your products page. Then you need to find the domains. And right here, you need to choose the domain where you want to add the DKIM record. For example, let's add it to this website. Click on DNS. Then you need to click add a new record. And before that, you need to use this guide. So there are some steps before you will add the DKIM record to GoDaddy. You need to do some steps. So first of all, you need to create your DKIM keys. And for that, you need to go to the Microsoft Defender portal right here on this page. So when you go right here under the domain keys, identified mail, select your domain name, and a window will open on the rightmost side. So the window will look like this. Then you need to select create DKIM keys. The keys will be generated as CNAME records, and you need to copy the host name and value of both records, guys. So when you do the first step, then you can go on the second one. You need to go back to GoDaddy. In the type, you need to choose the CNAME. In the name, you need to enter using the first key that you generated in step 1. So you need to copy the host name and paste it right here. And in the value, guys, using the first key that you generated in step 1, enter the value. So you also need to copy the value and paste it right here, and you can leave it TTL on default and then click the save button. After that, you can move on the third step and you can enable DKIM. So lastly, we can go back to Defender portal and to enable DKIM for your organization. So you need to sign in your Microsoft Defender portal under the domain keys identified mail. You need to select a domain and window will open on the right side of the page. And then you need to turn on the sign messages for this domain with the DKIM signatures toggle, and your changes will save. Click OK, and that's all. So that's how you can add the DKIM record on GoDaddy. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.